message that I got during the draft. So, mabaka muna tayo. So, actually may parang scarf pa kami. Aside from that, during the draft, binigyan din kami ng cap. Yung cap namin. And then, meron din, IAM Worldwide Pickleball. And it's so nice kasi it's personalized. My surname. We also got our practice jersey. Ito yung practice jersey natin. Parang pang numbers. Aside from those, syempre, binigyan kami ng barley gummy. This is my favorite. Actually, hindi pa ako nakakainom ng second dose ko. Nainom ko na kanina. Super generous ng mga boss namin. Thank you so much. We got yung amazing pure organic barley. The cafe macchiato. And the IAM Worldwide amazing choco barley. Super favorite ito among all the items